it was created and where it is now. Microsoft was created by Bill Gates and Paul Allen. Paul Allen and Bill Gates met at Lakeside School when Paul was 14 and Bill was 12. They bonded over their passion for computer programming. Microsoft was founded in 1975. It was originally called Microsoft for microprocessors and software. Bill quit his job and Paul left Harvard to focus on Microsoft. They started in Albuquerque because the city was home to electronics for a maker of the Altair 8800. By 1978, Microsoft's sales topped more than $1 million. In 1979, the business moved its headquarters to Bellevue, Washington. On August 12, 1981, IBM introduced its personal computer with Microsoft's 16-bit operating system MS-DOS 1.0. Other computer companies started licensing MS-DOS, which had no graphical interface and required users to type in commands in order to open a program. In 1985, Microsoft released a new operating system, Windows. It has a graphical user interface that included drop-down menus, scroll bars, and other features. By the late 1980s, Microsoft had become the world's biggest personal computer software company based on sales. In 1995, Microsoft had successful purchases of personal computers for homes and office use. Then Windows 95 came out. It had things such as Start Menu TV commercials for Windows 95 featuring the Rolling Stones singing Start Me Up, and 7 million copies of the new product were sold in the first 5 weeks. In 1995, Internet Explorer was released, which has a series of graphical web browsers developed by Microsoft and included the Microsoft Windows line of operating systems. Internet Explorer was once the most widely used web browser, attaining a peak of about 95% usage share by 2003. Microsoft won with Internet Explorer as the first browser war against Netscape, which was the dominant browser in the 1990s. In 2015, Microsoft announced that Microsoft Edge would replace Internet Explorer as the default browser on its Windows 10 devices. By the mid-1990s, Microsoft, which became a publicly owned corporation in 1986, had become one of the most powerful and profitable companies in American history. It consistently earned profits of 25 cents on every sales dollar. In 2001, Microsoft joined the video game market with the launch of its Xbox console. In 2002, it launched Xbox Live, a broadband gaming network for its consoles. In 2011, Microsoft released Office 365, a cloud version of its highly profitable Office business software suite, which had Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneNote, that included services that features similar to those of Google Docs.